Hey friends, if Slack is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run Slack as an administrator. Now, how do we do this? Search for Slack in the Windows search bar and right click on it and select run as administrator and then click on yes when the prompt comes up. And this way, most of the users will be able to run Slack. Okay, it opened in my case. The second one is to check Slack server status. So open Bing and go to slack-status.com. I mean, you can search for Slack server status or you can go to this website directly, slack-status.com, and check if all of these are in green. If there is an outage, it will be in red. The next solution is to end Slack, the task in the task manager. So search for task manager in the Windows search bar and open task manager. Wait for the list to load, right click on Slack and select end task. Okay. Then the next solution is to repair and reset Slack. So search for Slack in the Windows search bar and click on app settings in the right pane. Wait for the list to load. Scroll down, click on terminate, click on repair, click on reset, and then click on reset once again. The last solution will be to reinstall Slack. Click on uninstall and then click on uninstall once again. And once Slack has been uninstalled from your computer, wait for a few seconds. Then search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, search for Slack. Click on Slack and click on install and wait for Slack to install on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.